Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an SD card on your V380 Pro. First, ensure your camera is powered off. Carefully insert your micro SD card into the designated slot. For best results, use a high-quality card, like a Class 10, with a capacity up to 128 gigabytes. This ensures reliable and continuous recording for your security needs. Power on your camera once the card is securely in place. Next, open the V380 Pro application on your smartphone or tablet. Access the camera's settings menu, usually found by tapping the gear icon next to your device. Look for the storage settings or SD card settings option. Here, you will find the Format SD card button. Tapping this will prepare your card for recording, clearing any previous data and ensuring compatibility with your camera system. Now, let's configure your recording options. Within the same settings, you can select your preferred recording mode. You might choose continuous recording for constant surveillance or motion detection recording to save space and only capture events. Adjust the video quality and resolution to balance clarity with storage efficiency. You can also set a specific recording schedule, ensuring your camera operates precisely when needed. Finally, accessing your recordings is straightforward. Simply use the playback feature within the V380 Pro app to review stored footage. If you encounter any issues, such as recording failures, try reformatting the SD card again or testing with a different known good card. Always ensure your camera's firmware is up to date for optimal performance and security. Regularly checking your card's health can prevent unexpected data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.